Hi guys, this is a breakfast idea. You're going to love this recipe. It is an omelette that I added beef prawns. It's so delicious guys, so let's get right into it. And start by prepping your beef prawns, and beef prawns are normally ready to eat, but I just like to cook mine. So just go ahead, cut it into small cubes like you see here, and then you just go ahead, add that into a bowl. It is so easy. Next, go ahead and add your chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. You can add chopped capsicum, the green, the yellow, and the red ones if you've got them at hand. I just used whatever I had. Go ahead and season that with salt. Now go ahead and mix 4 eggs. You can use more eggs if you're cooking a bigger batch or for a bigger family. So just go ahead and you're going to mix these together like you see here. And guys, you can add your favorite spices. I was cooking this for children, so I wasn't going to add so many spices. So I just go ahead, heat a pan like you see here on low flame, add a small amount of cooking oil. After the pan is not too hot, just moderately hot, go ahead and add your mixture, and then you're going to cover this and allow it to cook on one side. And after one side is cooked, just go ahead and turn to the other side. It is so easy guys. And I also have another omelette recipe for using potatoes, a potato omelette recipe. I'm going to link it here for anyone that is interested. And now let the other side to cook guys. It is so easy. And after it has cooked, like you can see, the omelette is just elevated guys. The beef prawns are so delicious, and it's just a way to spice up your breakfast. And I just went ahead and cut mine like you see here, and I'm just going to show you the thickness. And it was fully cooked. Be sure to cook this on low flame so that it doesn't overcook. And it was so delicious. We loved the breakfast. Thank you for watching.